Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to build a smart lead capture system using Zoho Forms and Zoho CRM. You'll learn how to create a professional form, set up notifications, and connect it directly to your CRM for automatic lead assignment, all without writing a single line of code. Let's begin by creating a new form inside Zoho Forms. We'll call it Website Lead. Add the following fields: full name, email address, phone number, company name, industry, message or inquiry. Let's configure an email alert to notify the person who submitted the form. Under the Settings tab, click on Email under the Email Notifications section. Now it's time to integrate with Zoho CRM. Head over to the Integrations tab and look for Zoho CRM. Select Leads as the module and Demo as the layout. Map each form field to the corresponding CRM field. For example, last name equals full name, last name. First name, full name, first name. Email, email address. Phone, phone number. Account name. Company name. Industry. Industry. Messenger inquiry. Messenger inquiry. Now under Actions, choose the following. Automation and Process Management. This ensures that any existing workflows, blueprints, or automation rules in the Leads module will trigger when a record is created. Upsert record. This prevents duplicate entries by updating an existing lead if the email already exists instead of creating a new one. Tag records. Add a custom tag to identify easily and filter leads submitted through this form. We'll call it Website Lead Form. Finally, click the Integrate button to complete the setup. From now on, every form submission will automatically create or update a lead in Zoho CRM. Let's test it out. Fill out the form as a sample user. Within seconds, the lead appears in Zoho CRM and the submitter receives an email notification which we set up earlier. Smooth, fast, and efficient. That's it. You now have a fully functional smart lead capture system powered by Zoho Forms and Zoho CRM. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zoho tips and tutorials. Need help implementing this for your business? Reach out. We'd love to help.